Hello, good evening. Welcome to tradingrich.com. I'm happy to present to you a technical analysis video on what is going on in crypto land, right? Because I've been getting DMs from members asking me what is going on with Bitcoin, what is going on with crypto stocks. So I'm happy to present what is going on here and where Bitcoin is going. Is Bitcoin going to crash? Is it going to continue crashing, continue selling off, or is it going to rally? That's the $1 million question, and that's the $1 million question for crypto enthusiasts and crypto investors and traders alike. So, without much ado, my name is Richard Adjei here, head trader and co-founder here at Trading Rich, and I'm going to share my screen, and then we can get started right away. All right, so this is the chart of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hasn't made new like all-time high since it did in late October here. In September, it has not made new all-time highs yet. It has struggled to break and make new all-time highs. Since then, it has sold off and it's continued coming down. It has held. So Bitcoin, what Bitcoin needs to do is that Bitcoin needs to hold this yellow line. You see this yellow line? This is the 200 simple moving average, right? It's a critical level. It must hold there. Also, there's secondary support here. See, this is the high of March 2024. If you connect that to this low here at June 2025, and then this lows. So that is acting as a trend line support. As long as Bitcoin does not break below here and holds these two support levels, we are going to get a push and a reversal. So far, it's consolidating, right? It's consolidating so far. We shall see if it's able to reverse from here onwards. Okay, this is a weekly time frame. If it fails, then it's going to come down. This looks like looks like a bear flaggish, but we shall see if it can go down and confirm that bear flag. So if it comes down, let's say it breaks below this support level of the trend line, then we are going to head down here to the bottom of the parallel channel. That's where I expect it to bounce, just like here, here, or here. Okay, so that's where I see Bitcoin going. Let me go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that Bitcoin is currently trading below the 200. It needs to remount the 200. Okay, it needs to remount the yellow line, remount the 200, and then once he remounts it, I believe that it's going to reverse and go, and we are going to come back here. Okay, so I don't think that this is the end of the road for Bitcoin in the cycle. I believe that it's going to make a comeback, and it's going to come back strong, right? And if it comes back strong this time around, it's going to break the mother of all trend lines, which is this trend line from the 2017 highs. Okay, this is the mother of all trend line. This is the monthly time frame. So you have this mother of all trend lines here. So it's breaking it, it's holding it so far. If it is able to survive this sell and reverses this time around, it's going to be able to push. So you see it touches once, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 time is going to give it 70 to 80% probability of breaking it, and it's going to push. That's how we can get new all-time high. But for now, the bears are in control. The bulls need to seize control and prevent calamity, right, in Bitcoin. So also one caution is that Bitcoin has led the way. During the April sell-off, Bitcoin was one of the assets that started recovering early. In 2021, when the market sold off first, started selling off and ushering in the bear market, the beginning of the bear market, Bitcoin was the first to sell in November of 2021 over here. First November 2021. It came back up here. So yeah, this was November 2021. That's where it sold off and it was down, right? It was the first to sell off, followed by the stock market. So again, why did Bitcoin sell off first? Because Bitcoin is a risk asset. Anytime people are running away from investing in the stock market, they go and check their portfolio and say, which one is the highest risk? They start clearing and taking profits and walking away. That's what happened in November 2021. Are we going to see the same thing this November? Are we going to see, is this going to be the same thing? I don't know. Who knows, right? I will let the technicals guide me. So with that, I'm just looking at my technicals. If we trade, if we're able to hold this line, this one, this weekly, let me go to the weekly time frame. If you're able to hold this support trend line, then boom, we are going to bounce, right? If we break below it, then we are heading here to the support level here in this parallel channel. That's where I believe that we are going to get that bounce, and then we are going to push, right? Any bounce from here, either here or here, is going to send, has the potential of getting Bitcoin come back strong. Right now, Bitcoin is sleeping. Bitcoin is struggling to even make a rally up. So once he gets buyer stepping, then we are going to get it to push, and it's going to make new all-time highs and rally and close the year on a high note, right? So that's the update for Bitcoin. Next is Ethereum. So Ethereum has held this channel very well. This bull flag, this is the flag, this is your flagpole, this is your flag. It has held it very, very well. And as long as he holds it, Ethereum will reverse. So here, as long as Ethereum holds, so Ethereum has two jobs to do. One, it needs to hold this upsloping trend line as support, right? This is from April 2025 to June 2025. And then look at it. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4. It can sit here 5, 6, and 7. Right. So far it's holding it. It came close to this. I expect Ethereum to bounce here from here on, but that will depend on the stock market. If the stock market is weak and starts selling, then Ethereum and things are going to struggle to push. Okay, so we shall see how that plays out. But Ethereum is holding on strong, holding on to dear life, and as long as it holds here, it is good to go. It is going to reverse, right? So for my crypto fans, crypto believers, crypto investors, crypto traders, don't you worry. As long as Ethereum holds this support level and Bitcoin holds the 200, all will be fine. Crypto and Bitcoin, crypto and other Bitcoin and other altcoins are going to rally and make a comeback, right? They are going to be the comeback kids. Right now, Bitcoin is and crypto is acting like the problem child, but it's not going to be this for long. No situation is permanent. Bitcoin and its associated altcoins are going to recover and do well at some point, right? But for now, they are going through a tough time. Tough time happens, but it doesn't last, right? So we shall see how that plays out. So yeah, let me also quickly check out here Solana. Let's look at what Solana is doing. So Solana as well needs to hold this trend line here, this one. This has been a fantastic one. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4, 5, 6, right? As long as it holds here, Solana will make a comeback and it's going to go, right? That's what I see here. So, but if it breaks it, then trouble. Then big trouble, right? If it breaks it, then it's going to be a big trouble for Solana. It's going to head down and go. Okay. So yeah. So next one is last but not the least, XRP. Let's look at what XRP is doing. So XRP has been, holding this area here. Has been holding this area here for the time being, for the longest time. It needs to hold. If it continues to hold here, I think we are going to get like a move and a reversal, right? But if it breaks here, then we are going to come down, and we are going to head to this area. And oh no, this is not what I was looking for. This is XRP, similar. Here, this for Coinbase, this one. So if you look at this closely and you go to the weekly time frame, you can clearly see that we have this kind of trend line here, right? This one. See this? you have something like this, right? If you go to daily, this is how it looks like, right? So as long as XRP holds this, then it can do some kind of reversal, right? So far, it is the lows. This is the place where it came. So let's say if it holds this area and it bounces here, then it's going to go. So we shall see how that plays out, but it all going to be dependent on what the major coins do, like Bitcoin and things like that. If Bitcoin is super weak and it's selling, then the altcoins do not have a choice. They're also going to sell, and they are going to sell hard. Okay, so that's about it for my crypto update here. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do, so that it can help to promote the channel. Also, make sure that you share this link with your friends and family that are interested in learning about technical analysis, interested in learning about trading, and also join our free community. So we have a free community here. You go to tradingrich.com over here. You can see our free community. You can join free community free of charge. Then you can also learn. We have lots of materials there, lots of masterclass, lots of training information, training videos that you can also watch and learn about the market. Okay, so have a good night, have a great weekend in advance, and all the best trading tomorrow for those that are going to trade tomorrow. Make sure we close the month on a high note. Have a good night. We'll see you in the next video. We'll see you in the live stream on Sunday, right, at 8 p.m. Eastern. Have a good night. Bye-bye.